Welcome to this 5-minute meditation for positive energy. Start by getting comfortable, closing your eyes, and taking a slow, deep breath in. Feel the air fill your body, and gently let it go, releasing any tension. Breathe in again, slowly and deeply, and exhale, letting go of anything weighing you down. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter and more open to positive energy. Allow this sense of ease to wash over you. Imagine a warm light surrounding you. Feel it wrapping you in comfort and peace. As you breathe, feel this energy slowly entering your body, bringing a sense of peace and happiness. As you continue to breathe, feel this positive energy spreading through your chest, your arms, and your legs. Let it fill you, making you feel brighter and more at ease. Let go of any tension with your exhale, creating space for more light to fill you. Feel the joy and hope growing within you with each breath you take. Picture this energy flowing smoothly through you. With every breath, feel it spreading through your entire body, lifting your spirits and bringing peace to your mind. Let this energy gently flow into every corner of your being. Take a moment to feel how light and energized you are now. Your body filled with a sense of happiness and peace. Take a deep breath, holding this positive energy inside. With each exhale, feel any remaining tension drift away, leaving you calm and centered. Stay in peaceful energy for a moment. Enjoying the warmth and positivity you've invited into your life. Let it fill you completely. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. You've welcomed positive energy into your body, and it will stay with you. Thank you for being here.